larger than what you know about life exists.
Human being is designed to explore extraordinary possibilities and powers.
Humanity has traveled long way from amoeba to fish, pure physical growth. From fish to monkey, physical and psychological. Monkey to man, physical, psychological and conscious growth. Now the man, he need to move further. He need to have superconscious breakthrough. The time has come for the superconscious breakthrough. For human beings to enter into the realm of superconscious level. I am uttering this statement with the confidence of sitting on a science which has already become successful. Understand, I am not fulfilling just the purpose of human consciousness. I am fulfilling the purpose of very consciousness in this universe. It is time we introduce this great spiritual science from the Vedas and Agamas. The whole technology, methodology for a superconscious breakthrough is ready, available. Any human being can go through this initiation and have this superconscious breakthrough, manifest these possibilities and powers, giving you the experience and access to different dimensions of the universe. Ability to access multi-dimensions of the universe is your nature. It is there with you. Just the breathing need to be intensified through different methodology to open up those dimensions so you can have access. Listen. Intense breathing currents getting awakened in your system and opening different constructs of your brain and having access to those dimensions. I am actually introducing other worlds and teaching you the science of benefiting from the sources available in the other world and enriching even this world. Visions and Puranas written by our masters are not fantasies and myths. They had access to those lokas through their brains' capabilities. It is time the truths of Sanatana Hindu Dharma comes out of book, and it is no more a museum, it is music. You will see the real Hindu museum coming alive. Imagine the 1,000-pillar hall of Meenakshi temple coming to life and all the gods and goddesses walking out of the pillar. Neither theory nor proposal or fantasy, it is reality. For anybody, it is possible. All you need to travel to the other place is very simple. Just have a well-built, strong body through yoga and a clean stomach. Yoga Pada of Sadashiva creates certain chemistry in your biology which can be used as a fuel to reach the higher dimensions and higher planes of consciousness, higher planes of the universe. Then manifesting powers of Sadashiva using all the technology Sadashiva has provided, alchemy products, alchemy processes, aushadha, herbs, prana, cosmic force energies, ultimately the Shaktipada of Sadashiva. Combination of all this is aushadha, healing physical, physiological and psychological space is done by this aushadha to experience the space of Nirvikalpa Samadhi. Nirvikalpa Samadhi means the highest oneness. Without even remembering, you are in oneness.
above all, ultimately, Mahasadashiva's initiation, Shaktipāda. Understand an important basic truth. In Veda Agama, Shaiva Sampradayas, physical presence of the Guru is not only required, it is mandatory for highest enlightenment to manifest through you. That is why for higher level initiation, the Shaktipada becomes very important. Being in the breathing space becomes very important. Your body can get 7 types of fuels: solid food, liquid, then breathing, the fire kindled by all these 3, and emotional excitement, and your own Kundalini Shakti awakening, and Master giving you Shaktipada. Last 2, your own Kundalini Shakti awakening and Master Shaktipada, these 2 are extremely important. Human consciousness is generated to live on the fuel of consciousness, Kundalini Shakti. Whether your health, joy or bliss, completion, fulfillment or further journey of your life. I am opening my home to all of you to come, enjoy, explore, express the superconscious possibilities and powers of Sadashiva. I am already creating that energy field. You just need to create an intention so you can be part of this field. Now it is all about your decision to be here, to experience. I welcome all of you to come to Mahasadashivoham, happening in December. Come and enjoy. Mahasadashivoham.